I wanted a remote encoder for tuning purposes, and the 302R remotes are pretty pricey if you can find one, and of course they're no longer made, no longer available new from TenTec, so I made my own. You can see it's nice freewheeling. I have it set right now to tune VFO-A on the rig using the menu. You have choices for the remote pod. It can be tuned VFO-A, VFO-B, RIT-Z, or passband tune bandwidth. You can make your choice as to which one it will tune. So I'm enjoying it. It works well. Just put it in a little external plastic box, and just plugs into the remote connector. Of course, it'll work on the Pegasus, Jupiter, Orion 2, Omni 7. So it's a nice addition. The dial's calibrated here, but that just happens to be a feature of the dial that I picked up for the encoder. It has nothing to do with obviously with the frequency of the rig, but it is a nice, pretty high quality feel. Very smooth. Feels like maybe a ball bearing encoder. And I like it. You can bring it right up to you. I think the cord I put on is around 3.5, 4 feet long. So it allows you to sit back in the chair and tune up and down the band.